Now we're ready to put on our hose and put on our ramp clips so that when we put on our clips here, the sliders don't come out. Our inside sliders, when the lift comes down, don't come up. This is going to hold it on. So at this time, we can remove our zip tie that's holding our secondary lock on. And so, because we got it on and it's setting on the primary lock, so now I can remove this. One of these have a conduit clip. This conduit clip is going to hold the hose in place. This is the corner that has our power unit on it. And so we're going to put it on here just like so. Now this hose is held up out of the way, so when it goes up and down, it can never catch underneath of the bucket. The hose holds it in place. Now you'll want to take this. This is our hydraulic hose that goes to our cylinder underneath. We ship it inside so it doesn't get damaged. But when you receive this, you'll want to take off, there's two nuts here. You'll take off the first nut. You're going to take that one off. And then break this to the back. And then you'll see the porthole that this has got to go out of. So now we're going to pull this down and push it through that hole. And then we have put our washer on the outside, or nut on the outside of it. And so that's going to jam it tight inside there. You'll use your 19mm wrench to tighten that up so that your port's in. And then you're going to notice your hose. Take your cap off. Position it. And this is a flare fitting, so we don't need to use any thread tape. You'll just hold the hose out and let it come in, and it will seat to the inside of that port. And again, you'll use your 19mm wrench to tighten that up.